What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. The more likes and smashes that you get, the more videos I'll make. So I make a lot of stock and dividend analysis videos, but I also show you my dividend investing strategies on my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. Made a lot of changes, so I really want to show you guys what I did, what I plan on doing. So first of all, one of my goals on my M1 Finance dividend portfolio is to earn passive income and to treat it as a retirement pension. I also have a goal to have a $100,000 dividend portfolio with my fractional share dividend portfolio. One of my goals in long term is to make $1,000 to $3,000 a month of my monthly dividends, $2,000 to $4,000 a month of my quarterly dividends. So I made a lot of changes, okay? What I really like about my M1 Finance dividend portfolio, and I also follow Matthew Ramey's dividend investing strategy, where you have certain stocks that distribute certain dividends at a certain time. That way you know that you will earn quarterly dividends each month. So say like Iron Mountain distributes dividends this month, and this month, and this month, and this month. This other stock will distribute dividends this month, and this month, and this month. So one thing that I want to show you real quick is what I did with my monthly dividend stocks. So I have XYLD that I added. This is an exchange traded fund with a dividend yield of 8.68%. It's right now $47.83. It's a high yield dividend. It's a covered call ETF. So with these monthly dividend ETFs, okay, I can basically, with the expense ratio, 0.71% is not too bad. But with a high dividend yield, okay, where I'm getting right around 30 to 40 cents a pop with this, I'm rolling, okay? So I have that one. I also have QYLD, which is the Global X NASDAQ 100 covered call ETF with a dividend yield 11.23% and expense ratio 0.67%. So when I put money in these, okay, these are my monthly dividend stocks to basically cover. Look at how much money these guys have earned me, $37.19. That way, with all the money that I have in there from earned dividends of this stock, I can almost buy another share each month. Obviously, I'm buying and selling and messing around, but I made $37.19 with this ETF. And then this one has earned me nothing. But in the long run, I'm going to be getting some money out of this, really good dividends to buy other quarterly dividend stocks. Lumen Technologies is a cheap stock, quarterly dividend by CenturyLink. Universal Corp, high dividend yield. Let me show you Universal Corp. 5.24% dividend yield, PE ratio at 22, 1.4 billion market cap. So these in British American Tobacco, this is a big one that a lot of dividend investors are buying. Quarterly dividend stock with a 7.15% dividend yield, a PE ratio of 10.01. So you're seeing a lot of these stocks and their potential. BIP, Brookfield Infrastructure Partners. Okay, this one yields me a very nice dividend in the long run because the market cap is high and slowly it is increasing its price per share. Not too fast though, but I'm getting nice dividends just like with Enbridge, 7.13% PE ratio of 31.7, market cap 74.3 billion. So if you notice a lot of these stocks that I have, I really went after the real estate ones. Spirit Realty Capital, 5.69% dividend yield, market cap 4.9 billion. I have a decent amount of shares, 15 shares. Once I get to at least 100 or so, imagine how much damage I can start getting. First Energy is another energy stock. It's 4.4% dividend yield with a market cap at 18.6 billion. That is one that's really cheap that I have capitalized on. And, there's such a big juggernaut in the state of Ohio and many other states with energy. So that's one thing that I really went after and capitalized. So WestRock's another stock. They had a small dividend yield, but they hopefully will increase their dividend over time. They cut their dividend, and you know the dividend yield will increase, but it's a high yield dividend stock. So this is one I'm hoping that they start coming back and making a comeback. Coca-Cola is doing pretty well, 3.13%. Doesn't grow too fast, but it gets you those nice dividends in the long run. Seagate is one of my favorite dividend stocks with 3.56% dividend yield. It has earned me $16.59. What I also did is I have this one with real estate sector BDC, and I have Iron Mountain, which distributes a very nice 6.53% dividend yield. But my monthly rates ETFs, I have LTC Properties, which yields right around a 5.26% dividend yield, monthly dividend stock, high yield dividend stock. So what I plan on doing is, see how much have they earned me right now, $17.94. So if you see what I plan on doing, things are just, they're getting there. Okay, I'm at $16,000. I made a lot of changes. So let me just show you all my holdings I have for right now. Iron Mountain, I have 60 shares. LTC 47, Seagate 11, Pfizer 23, AT&T 28, Alteria 15, Omega Health Investors 20%, Coca-Cola 13, First Energy 19, Spirit Realty Capital, really good real estate investment trust, 15.19 shares. Exxon, I have 11. WestRock, I have 12. Aflac, I have 11. Enbridge, I have 15. Unilever, I need to really look at these guys a little bit because these are a good stock, 3.34% dividend yield. Past 5 years, it's been a little stagnant, but it's increased its dividend over time. I love Unilever. I have their Suave products, and Axe for deodorant. I use Axe. So things are looking good. I can't wait to get to 100,000. I mean, it's going to take baby steps and take time, but the more money I put in, I didn't put my stimulus money in yet, but that's part of one of my goals is if I can get more shares of these guys, then the monthly dividends will start kicking in and I can start buying other quarterly dividend stocks, and then the compound interest is going to really start kicking in. So that's about it with my changes. I just really wanted to show you my changes and what I'm excited about with QYLD and XYLD. Those are two dividend stocks that I think will really make a difference in my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. Monthly dividend wise, they're much better than bonds. I mean, bonds don't really give you that much of a yield, a really good one. And, these covered call ETFs distribute a nice dividend. So the expense ratio isn't too bad either. So that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think of my dividend investing strategy. This is Darth Dividend. I plan on posting a stock and dividend analysis video tomorrow for you guys. But I really was excited to show you these changes. I made a big post on Twitter about my changes, but I'm just really excited to show you how I made my changes in my portfolio. So let me know what you think. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. This is Darth Dividend. You guys have a great weekend.